Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. A little more information about the blend tool. I normally go to Effects and Blend and open up the Blend Docker, but I find sometimes it's a little confusing. You can do everything in here, but when I really want to, if I'm just going to blend some lines, I'll use this one. But I actually kind of like underneath the shadow, you can go to the Blend Docker here. And you can actually pick, you don't have to group them together. You can just go from that blend to that blend. And then everything's here. You can change the amount of blend. But the other one, I can clear the blend. But let's go and there's just some things, directional blend, which it is now. And look at the colors are equally blue to red. But if we go counterclockwise, it's going to a different realm of the color spectrum, I guess. And then if you go counterclockwise, look at that. It's going through the color scale. Now you can change this and make it, more reds and more blues, and you can always go back and clear, and you can blend it again. Here's your same thing, your path properties, your blend direction, your amount of blends, more blending options. And if you go right here to acceleration or color, if you lock this, or if you have this locked, both handles move. But if you unlock that, let me back up to get back where we were. If you unlock this, you can change the color and make it, if you want more blue than red. We were just trying to do that the other day with something. So now I've got more red than blue and more blue than red if I go that way. And then you can also do the acceleration or object acceleration, and that just changes the amount of blend directional. And as always, you can change your blend and put it way over here. There's a lot you can do with this. You've got two handles now, and you can so you've opened up that other Docker, so now you've got two handles, and you can make them the same. And always you can take that first one and actually change the color and blend it a completely different color and really have some fun with it. Or you can take the last one and make it that. Pretty cool effect. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.